Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing the image into Noise. Pick RAW if available for more latitude. Once imported, duplicate the base layer so you can revert. This preserves original pixels. Make sure autosave is on and set resolution to original or 1/2 to balance quality with export speed. Next, tap the histogram to confirm exposure clipping. If highlights or shadows clip, nudge exposure or use the shadows/highlights tool briefly. These steps set a safe, editable starting point for precise adjustments. You now handle the main corrections. Correct exposure, contrast, and white balance before heavy noise work because those affect noise visibility. Once tonal balance is set, reduce noise with luminance and color sliders. Keep detail around 20 to 40% to avoid smoothing textures. Use selective masks to isolate sky and pattern backgrounds for stronger denoising while protecting faces and edges with lower strength. Also apply slight sharpening after denoising, but mask it to avoid amplifying residual noise. You finish by adding local clarity, spot healing, and subtle gradients to guide the eye. Use small brushes for blemishes. Once satisfied, export with sRGB and about 90% quality for online use, while keeping the original or a high-res duplicate for print. If you see banding or color artifacts, reduce the denoise amount, introduce a touch of grain to mask posterization, or revert to the duplicate and reapply milder settings. This final pass ensures a polished image and an easy fix if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.